New banjo is the special, banjo is brand new, light and crispy.
Chocolate has been the irresistible joyride of taste buds since a mind-boggling 1750 BC. Ancient folks not only savored it like there was no tomorrow, but also thought it could heal and had divine vibes. Now, fast forward to today. Chocolate's practically everywhere, with companies shipping out a mind-blowing 3 million tons yearly. But hold on, how on earth do they pull off this cocoa extravaganza? I mean cocoa tree. Well, our journey kicks off in Africa, where the Mayans were like the original chocolate detectives. They cracked the cacao tree code, and here we are, still happily munching away on their discovery. Yet, their chocolate expertise wasn't just about being sleuths. It was all about location, location, location. Here's the scoop. The cacao tree demands super precise conditions to thrive, like a toasty 25 degrees temperature and a humidity level soaring at 80% or higher. And guess what? Only specific spots along the Earth's equator fit the bill, and the Mayans snagged one of those prime locations. Fast forward to the present, and a hefty chunk of the world's cocoa still springs from this equatorial hotspot. Even in the modern age, the way cacao is harvested hasn't changed much since the Mayan era. Why, you ask? Well, it turns out cacao trees are pretty delicate, and their pods don't just gracefully drop to the ground. Nope, they need a manual intervention, one pod at a time. Now, here's where it gets interesting, and a bit like playing Fruit Ninja. Extracting the beans. Picture this, workers sitting down, unleashing their inner Fruit Ninja skills to carefully remove the beans. And here's the catch. The beans are snugly tucked within a sticky white pulp, adding an extra layer of challenge to the cocoa harvesting adventure. If you reckon those cacao beans don't resemble chocolate just yet, you're spot on. The beans are yet to undergo a vital transformation in both appearance and aroma. They, along with their sticky pulp, get cozy in special fermentation boxes, snugly wrapped in banana leaves, hanging out there for a good 3 to 9 days. Now, why is this process a big deal? Well, not only does it give the boot to any unwanted bacteria and bid farewell to the clingy white pulp, but it's the secret sauce behind those signature brown color and rich flavors the beans are known for. Once fermented, it's sunbathing time for the beans. A crucial step to bid adieu to excess moisture and keep nasty fungi, bacteria, or mold at bay. And guess what? This sun-drying spectacle isn't just practical, it's also the flavor maestro, enhancing the taste of those beans. Once this leg of the journey is complete, the beans are all set for their global adventure to various factories. Upon reaching their destination, a squad of quality assurance officers meticulously inspects the beans. This involves a bit of bean surgery. After earning the nod of approval from the QA team, the beans march off to a specialized processing plant. Here, they first face a roasting session on screens, and then take a spin in revolving cylinders, while heated air dances around them for a good 30 minutes to 2 hours. It's a magic show where the bean's moisture level drops from about 7% to a sleek 1%. But wait, there's more. It's at this point that the beans start to unveil that delightful, rich flavor we all associate with chocolate. With the roasting curtain closing, the cacao meat, or nibby, should now gracefully part ways with its husky shell, ready to take center stage in the chocolate-making spectacle. Industries perform this magic in a contraption known as the winnower. Inside this marvel, vibrating shelves work their charm, skillfully parting the nibs from the husks, which are then whisked away by a fan, leaving behind the precious nibs poised for the next act. The nibs take center stage, entering a grinding frenzy that transforms them into a deep, dark brown paste. And here's where the real chocolate alchemy unfolds. This transformative process tweaks the chocolate's composition, and as it emerges from the grinder, it resembles a luxuriously thick syrup. This aromatic concoction, strangely reminiscent of alcohol, earns the intriguing moniker of chocolate liquor. Now, if the goal is to whip up some cocoa powder, the liquor might undergo a rendezvous with an alkaline solution. What does this mysterious encounter achieve? It not only deepens the cocoa's hue, dialing down its intensity for a milder flavor, but also curtails the nib's inclination to form clumps. The alkaline chocolate liquor undergoes a debloating session, shedding significant amounts of fat or chocolate butter. The resulting solid entity, often referred to as press cake, undergoes a dramatic transformation, breaking, chopping, or crushing before being sifted into the cocoa powder we know and love. Ah, that cocoa butter we mentioned earlier? It's not tossed aside. Instead, it takes center stage in the creation of chocolate candy. In a delightful dance known as conching, it partners with chocolate liquor, weaving together to grant the chocolate its silky smooth texture and impeccable consistency. And that's not all. Depending on the chocolate's personality, other characters like powdered milk, sugar, or vanilla may join the party. The maestro behind this symphony was none other than Swiss chocolatier Daniel Peter, who, in 1875, coined the term conching. He worked his magic to invent milk chocolate by blending Henry Nestle's powdered milk with the chocolate liquor. Once the texture is on point, it's time to bestow that coveted chocolate snap. Enter tempering, a process where the chocolate takes a leisurely journey of being gently heated and cooled. This transformative tango tweaks the crystals within, ensuring the chocolate boasts a consistent and uniform composition throughout. Once the chocolate has undergone the tempering magic, it's all set to gracefully flow into molds, shaping itself into the beloved chocolate bars we adore. Post-inspection. It's time to swaddle these delectable bars in foil or paper packaging, keeping their freshness intact. Despite their seemingly modest size, these chocolate bars pack a powerful economic punch, contributing to an industry that rakes in a staggering $50 billion annually. So there you have it. Hit subscribe if you have enjoyed. Keep chocolating till next time.